so much, my friend. Oh my God. Sana mabuhay ka na matagal. Sana siyak ngayong araw.
Hi, Charmate. Happy birthday. Bali, medyo dugay na tayo nagkita, pero kung tama remember ko mo. Happy birthday.
Hi, Matt. Happy birthday. I miss you so much. Dugay-dugay na jud nga wala ta nagkitan karon kay naka si mga adulting stage, and I'm so happy for you kay like nagagrow ka, nakita jud ti ka naggrow ka from kanang bata pa ka, like kabalo kang kababata jud ta, and kay remember pa ko sa una nga magsabay tag ka ng tudloan ko nimo gitara. Kanya magkanta-kanta ta, which kanang na-miss na good na ako. Magkita ta usab. I miss you so much. Happy birthday.
Charmet Rosauro. Wish you the best. Stay healthy and I love you. Happy birthday, Charmet Rosauro. Wish you the best. Stay healthy. I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Charmet! Wish you all the best and God bless you all. Thank you.
God bless you all. Hi, Charm! Happiest birthday to you! Your charm has transcended the digital world and niabot siya sa ako. And I feel like you're a very good person. So, hopefully you have a very good day today, a very good year, and sana maabot mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. That is all. Happiest birthday!
Hi, Charmit Rosauro. Happy birthday sa mua. Enjoy sa mong day o ingat palagi. Bye-bye.
Hi Charmaine, happy birthday. Unta magkita na ta kay dugay-dugay tawag kita. And happy birthday, I love you. Mua.
Hi Charmaine, happy birthday. Unta magkita tag usog gimingaw na ko nimo. God bless and happy birthday again. I love you, mua.